Welcome to In Nature's Realm. My name's Bruce Smith and today I'm at a lake called Hepburn Lagoon. Now Hepburn Lagoon is probably about an hour's drive from Melbourne and just before the city of Ballarat. Now I'm with my friend Andrew Scott today, and Andrew at the moment he's fishing around the corner there in another bay of the lake and he's wet fly fishing. Now I'm hoping at around about 2 o'clock this afternoon we will get a dun hatch, and if the dun hatch occurs we're going to get some fantastic fly fishing. Now just to give you a bit of an insight into Hepburn Lagoon dried out during the drought. There was a little bit of water left around the dam wall to keep the resident fish alive, but with the recent rains it is now filled to 100%, and fisheries have now stocked this lake with trout ranging from £1 to £3 in size. So there's some fantastic fish to be had, and we're just going to hope that the mayfly hatch occurs so I can put on a dry fly and I can get some beautiful rainbow or brown trout on the dry fly. Alright, I've got myself a, oh he's fighting good, this fish. I've got a nice rainbow trout on at the moment. Now the mayfly hatch didn't occur at the moment, or there's no mayflies hatching. So I put on a wet fly, a mud-eye pattern, and I've got myself a nice rainbow trout. I don't know how big he is, but he's making the line really run, I'll tell you, incredible. He's a good fish, nice, and you know, this is, as I was saying before, there's a great size range of fish in this lake, from around about £1 up to £3, and I'll bring this rainbow up to you so you can have a look at him. Oh, does not want to come in, doesn't want to come in. Oh, he's a good fish. Here he comes. Oh, yes. Now let the rod take all the struggles of the fish. Let the flex of the rod take the struggles of the fish, and you'll be able to land this fish a lot easier. Okay, now the fly I've got on is a mud-eye pattern. It's olive green colour, and the mud-eye are the mud-eye in this lake are two different colours. You've got your black and brown mud-eyes and also your olive green ones, and this one's come up trumps. So here we go, we'll see if we can land this fish. I'm going to land him by hand, which is a preferred method. Be very careful when you grab the leader like that. If he struggles, let it go, because you can snap it off at any time. Okay, there we go. Got ourselves a beautiful rainbow trout. So there you go, beautiful rainbow trout from Hepburn Lagoon. As I said before, we were hoping for a mayfly hatch. Hasn't happened as yet. Anything can still happen. But I changed my tactics, put on a mud-eye fly and started retrieving that fly with a nice mud-eye action, and straight away bang, got a nice little rainbow. So let's see if we can get another fish.